Alright, so we're still here on Buffalo Lightning Link, and I got the extra feature, the free feature. So we'll see what it is. Looks like it's a hold and spin. See if it'll drop anything good in there. So far it's just the 1x, 2x bonus, which is pretty typical for the Buffalo games. You never know, you could drop that major in there at any time. Game's been pretty hot. It's like our 4th bonus on here. It can do the free bonus again. I've had to do that before. Come on, last spin. Yep, Christine tried, but it didn't do it. Pretty small extra bonus. That happens a lot. Definitely take it though. That's another $36. I guess we'll see if we can get another bonus real quick on this. Alright, we'll come back if we get another bonus.
Got the bonus again on Buffalo Link. I got it's a double penny, so there is a $20 one there. Let's see what we can get. Oh, now don't give me nothing. You give me a big one, so it's not going to give me any more. There we go. Give me some words. Let's go. Okay, fill it up for me. Uh-oh. Those are empty holes. Last spin. Oh, there we go. $8 one. Okay, that's good. We will take that. $86. I think this might be a coin show. Yoink! Give me some coins. Okay. We get another bonus, we'll come back.
Okay, so I got the bonus, the hold and spin bonus on the Buffalo Lightning Link, 2-cent denomination. So we got one $40 one on there. Got a $30 one up there. So we got a nice start. Let's see if we can get that maxed out major of $1,000. It did land extra. Sometimes when it gives you extra, it doesn't land any, but it's going to land some this time. You can fill it up for $12,500. All little numbers so far on the extra ones. There we go, kept this alive. Last spin, come on, drop us one. Oh, that's all right. Got a trumpet. Be a pretty decent bonus. $2 bet. $4 bet, I guess. No, $2 bet. $132. That's pretty nice. Christine's not here to get her coins, so I'll get the coins for her. $132. All right, this game's pretty